It's the weekend and Newcastle Local Court have been hearing cases. Of the 16 defendants that are listed on the Sunday, the 16th of June 2024, I choose a guy who I will call Jeffery, not his real name. Jeffery has 2 cases listed. One is old, it's got a 2021 number, and the other is new with a 2024 number, meaning it's likely Jeffery has something historical that has been called up and also something recent. There are no media stories or police media releases about Jeffery. If I want to know why Jeffery was in court over the weekend, I have to find out myself. I can't attend court on a Sunday because the courthouse is closed to the public, but Jeffery's case is listed on the Monday, the day after, here at Cessnock Local Court. Lucky I'm already here for another case on that day. By the way, Jeffery is one of 3 custody cases that are heard at Cessnock on this day. The other 2 are arrested late on Sunday, so they don't quite make it to court on the weekend. The first is a domestic violence case. The person's been in the cells at Cessnock Police Station since the night before. He's 48 years old, he's dressed in a t-shirt and shorts, and he's cuffed as he's brought in. His boots have had the laces taken out of them. He has 2 family members in the gallery. He gets taken back and forth between the court and the police station throughout the morning because the magistrate wants his address sorted out before the bail application is considered. Problem is, if the magistrate granted bail back to his home address, this will impact on the witness, which is another family member, as they can't live at the same address. So the magistrate is pretty clear that he isn't going to make an order that impacts on someone else. The second custody case involves drug charges. Also brought over from Cessnock Police Station, cuffed. He wasn't wearing shoes, rather he was wearing those little sockets. He doesn't apply for bail, and it looks like his case will be transferred to the drug court. He will stay in custody for now. Then there's Jeffery. At first it looks like it's unclear why Jeffery's case is listed at Cessnock. However, paperwork is discovered and Jeffery appears on the court TV screen. He is in prison greens and I have no idea where in the world he is being beamed in from. So what happened? I pieced together that he's likely got the attention of police for 2 reasons. First, there is a warrant for his arrest from Tamworth after he failed to appear at court. So yes, it's very likely to see police refuse bail and therefore court over the weekend. However, that's not a Cessnock matter. Second part is there's 2 new offences that occurred at Paxton. That's why it's here. Paxton is southwest of Cessnock. The charges are 2 counts of armed with intent to commit an indictable offence. That's section 114 of the Crimes Act, and we're in New South Wales. The elements of the offence are just that, being armed with a weapon with intent to commit an indictable offence. Maximum penalty is imprisonment for 7 years, but if it stays in the local court, there's a jurisdictional limit of 2 years imprisonment. Indictable offences are crimes like stealing, but it's never said what Jeffery had intended to commit. Jeffery pleads guilty to both counts of being armed with intent to commit an indictable offence. There's no bail application, so Jeffery remains in custody. Jeffery also pled guilty to the offence of failing to appear in court. This is section 79 of the Bail Act. So being armed in Paxton with intent to commit an indictable offence got the attention of police who refused bail, which resulted in Jeffery appearing in court over the weekend.